free end. So first step is you want to take a dummy load wherever is asking. Wherever is asking, you take a dummy load here. That is the first step. So I am taking this is A, this is B, this is C. First step is you take a dummy load at the free end wherever is asking. That is the step 1. Then next, what is the second step? So write a mx equation. And you write down xx here. This distance is x. So first write down mx. Mx is equal to what can I write here? Minus 50 into x minus 2 into x. So that can be written as minus 50x as 2x. And take down mx square. Mx square is equal to, I am going to use the a plus b whole square formula. So 50 into 50, how much here? 2500 x square plus 2 square x square plus 2 into 50, 100. 100 to x square. This is our mx. This is our mx. Any doubts, please? Using Castellano's theorem, what is the Castellano's theorem is saying? Strain energy is equal to integration of mx square by 2ei into dx. 2ei into dx. So here what is happening here is not like the previous problem. So you want to take 2 here. Different i's are there. You can check it out. Different i's are there. So from 0 to 6 you will take it. Then 6 to 12 I will take it. So section is coming like this now. So I will take from 0 to 6, then 6 to 12. So I am section is taking from here. So this is 0. So 0 to 6, then 6 to 12. So that I will write it. So that is first 0 to 6. Same, I will write everything. 1 by 2ei. 1 by 2ei because I is 1 here. 1 by 2ei 2500 x square plus 2 square x square plus 100 to x square dx. That is 1. Now second one is plus minus 1 by 4ei. Why I am writing 4ei? Anybody? Because it is
2i.
2i. Okay, it is 2i. So therefore I am taking 1 minus 1 by 4ei. Same, 6 to 12. The limits are from now, yes, this is 6. Here 0. 0 to 6, now 6 to 12. So again 2500 x square plus 2 square x square plus 100 cube x square into dx. Understood all of you? Now, what can I write now here? Then 2500 next step. So next step is 2ei 2500 x cube by 2500 x cube by 3, then q square x cube by 3, q square x cube by 3, then 100 cube x cube by 3. Yes, 100 to x cube by 3, 0 to 6, minus 1 by 4ei, 1 by 4ei. Same thing here, same thing we got it. Only limits are, okay, so I'll write here 2500 x cube by 3 plus 2 square x cube by 3 plus 100 cube x cube by 3. Limits are 6 to 12. Limits are 6 to 12. Limits are x to 12. X to 12. What is saying now? This is u. This is u. Then dou, if you want to write yb is equal to dou u by dou q. Q tends to 0. So what will happen now here? Minus 1 by 2ei 0, 0. This will be 100 x cube by 3, 0 to 6, minus 1 by 4ei, 1 by 4ei, then 100 x cube by 0 to 6 to 12. So t tends to 0. Then yb is equal to minus 1 by 2ei 100 into 6 cube by 3 minus 1 by 4ei 100 12 cube by 3 minus 100 6 cube by, if you do the calculation, you will get yb is equal to 16200 by